Yeah, that song is a type of music Maluoni Ken Gang. I think it's style more strategy and more me releasing tracks. Ma abolo hardcore gangster rap. Ka abolo chidenge dong sobering hap down okay Ken Gang. Pian not everyone will listen to the gangster rap and enjoy it.
Yeah, definitely.
Basically, I think look come fans Kenano fans kore come Luwe chitwale want to twale never gamma shoot is gio and then piano take frame or take it so more than knock. So that's about the song. The comment is massive, man. Kenano is so amazing down the low. The low give me twin when So Ken Gang music came down in a man of better when it makes my white jal down better when you wear when down when you wear boss make gay so one more team go mama old to Ken Gang kong mi na we were pemiele ba pick kero impe pa no ngamo te kero hip hop mo ba ni ko be ka when you gangster rap mo to winye
oh you don't be win but you'll never dance
you'll never dance to it exactly and a reggae pe per wada type ko en ritual mero gi mo no wore ker na wore team exercise so we thought of dropping something like Ken Gang mix it okay win jalo wene courage chiraj when you Ken Gang music was there what better me try reggae no what ker those but no see don't want let's come up with something called Ken Gang music so and a bit idea for sure and event it's a very big event Kenano Destiny gonna get on Kelu Kachel one luo like something good better pain good time ne mirwa kel ngaro mo chigi no na choka pakaka chalo rap knowledge chalo la vo e miro yo
chet kuno
na jango katieno la vo kon chiro danyo yo kal yidi rong yawo then enemy Dubai I think it will be a fast truly thing mano ana bebere mano
representing
headlining so anone blessings miro binbor down magang miro be supporting and the worst thing is lola ko mo go berga chwala message ni I think actually they got the show fully you get
but definitely I know your energy you're going to surprise them
I might come there got them fun turning up
but I'm wishing you good luck
in your to you stage I'm like a dragon a spitfire
you roar
so I'm that lion ma cow roaring ma knock like Paul Chito I condense cloud and make it rain so I'm kind of a little bit different cow now the performance mo ya willow performance mo ma better go there are a lot of events ma jomo kene you concert gana binu da robbing concert
concert
so jala ngolo mo nyo garo to you ba
right tajili tutwal inima lupowa Tammy Bay TV ya yom tutwal wati programa mama barabani celebrity vibes kainera langera tiki one of the pioneer in Northern Uganda music industry kaite na kuman there's no guest premier da beta guesting ni anga mani na tiki labume Judah itini umera
ngoro MG
atimo bero nge amar kire drifting kere always just iberu charu kire labu ko kere pak ngomo bero J
atiero la for me an opportunity me at least being a camera at least nyako neki fans a chela rio genyo balo ngej mo matie ka guak no
foi matera foi winyu luona bene mi vino nge bere yinyi pikar ma la chitwal mai dugu ki UK way nyiru me ka non kon baraka biru busy concert gi ngo gene ma ka chelo karo aya manda ka winyu program mo te bien way ini dong loyoko
exactly
ngama ko nyina kilo cho
ita mo gonna escape route
yinde ngeodo but I'm so glad to host you for the first time.
Thank you so much.
Ever, I can say. I'm so happy about it.
Thank you so much.
So, Jay, I want to spread out a tape far to because in Download, a lot of people inspiring down in Northern Uganda music industry. So there's not much about Mawabi Logo to twal. Ngama Jay Bedo Coast. Nara chill walk and Kiriwala Ten Matiri. Ngama Judah Rapknowledge Da Akbar.
Exactly.
Not take it far, and I know 2 days ago dropping a class banger. Let's first talk about that new banger.
That song is a type of music Maluoni Ken Gang. I think it's style more strategy and more me releasing tracks ma abolo hardcore gangster rap ka bolo chidenge dong sobering hap down okay ken gang pian not everyone will listen to the gangster rap and enjoy you know
yeah definitely
pian the type of music cha not tip for that hip hop hate again but right now me no ulto looking gang but we way more
enjoying
wigi so ken gang is more of like relaxation track more man you more yeah
you cha winga de better UK down on Penyang definitely
and then that song basically ati lorekom ingeo fans kenano fans korekom luwe titwale wan titwale wa gam shuris gio and then piano tiki frame tiki so mo manok so that's about the song
okay
yeah the fans still marne full
aneno thing wait full 2 days 3k
yeah it's going
definitely man. People are loving
that
song.
They're gonna the comment is massive man Kenya is so amazing down the low the low give me twin one or what
Mono J always by the way Jay how did you come up with this style of King Gang? Because a lot of rappers in Northern Uganda they always like stick Ankono auntie I'm sticking this hip hop style, but I don't want to do this kind of music you're doing.
For real.
What come to you idea to bring this kind of music?
Way back in 2009, I know Mix was doing a type of record, making only feel good music. So type way the Mix was more of like feeling good, mere showing Gulu Northern Uganda but here, but there was no a competitive song. More no battle, cause me I was a battle MC those days. So and I came with gangster rap, me claiming a position. Mono work jomo kene on any territory wa any gua. So King Gang music came down in a man of a better when it makes my white jal down better when you wear went down that when you wear boss make gay so one more team go mama old to King Gang kong me na we were me le ba pick kero impe pa no ngamo to kero hip hop mo burn ko better when you gangster rap or more probably win
oh you don't be win but you will never dance
you'll never dance to it exactly and a reggae pepper water type ko ritual mero gi mo no work kerne work team exercise so we thought of dropping something like King Gang mix it okay win jalo wene courage chiraj when you King Gang music was there wa better me tell reggae no those but no don't want let's come up with something called King Gang music so and the idea but
so that was idea for the mix
and no don't piano don't know o mako nyingo hip hop cha we aja we kan ka mak nya be hip hop kada no katingana madang yun rap knowledge is for gangster rap King Gang will just come to no konyo down with for leisure
wow that is so amazing and nice. You know a lot of people get down Judah's Gen Kilo Mix now they are not so close but the way you explain it man it's definitely amazing I love it so much and I love the way you're changing northern music because you know down Polkar get down when you're hip hop artist you need to stick on it rapping only.
Wow. You have to be creative, man. You have to be creative.
So after King Gang, we should expect more King Gang or another hip hop.
There's a gangster rap coming, man. At the bar, shooting in a gangster way. Tiabino, Kidong Bene, way more aware. Yeah, I don't want to. I never down or biara, but I'm more surprising down with the songs and
surprise attack.
The concept, it's called surprise attack. Yeah,
definitely. So, but you might cherry YouTube for Judah Rapknowledge. That's 2 days. What is the name of the song? Wegodonga is out. Make sure you're gonna subscribe. Listen, a beautiful piece of music. So, Jay, a few months ago, I better post money circulating social media for Judas to Dubai. Judas to Dubai. Any look at that because you first tell us about Judah's moving to Dubai.
Exactly. Inyo and Pajaro Yamo and Kamada I don't have to fool my fans for attention. And I cannot post about Dubai and people in Dubai even posting about Dubai. You get the first thing first. And American venue. Is the most important thing. Gonna Spectre launch.
Spectre launch.
So Nyurni watiki gonna contract madong wati you kere we know one get rid all so I cannot be fooling people not that beyond kono na and then going to Dubai is a Kenya ikomalame Uganda gan one poor burger chair to UAE
United States of Emirates Kampala
can and ngat mochier I think was someone mochier bene but poacher in a big way I think. I don't want to mention names ma I think ginepo war to but this is the first makuberi art meal. The venue to art meal pay gang
family
no house party no. It's just magdano chula kirinana kere show kind you know chula
plus
you get yeah so dano chula mechero donyo and event it's a very big event ma kainano destiny gonna kelu ke kachel one luo like something good berping good tamane mir wakil ngar mo chi gino na choka pakaka chalo rap knowledge chalo la vo emir yo
chat kuno
ngi jango ka tiene la vo kon chiro danyo yo ka liye jirong yawo mo
ngini
no ko ngini don't disrespect them like liye ko
disrespecting
so
definitely
la vo chiro yabu yo then ko di paliji dong yabu mol dong chiro chalo nano kirwa team kere our team in London. I did a lot of shows in London ato inge an pamaro kero jimi tutwal kero mera mopo madon tutwal ero pubera chuli community ero
in cherbe outside my entertaining money
Ghanaian ge yubo Nigerians ge yubo ki Kampala ge yubo ma kelo Maddox ge nganga ge na UK party ma actually community mo can pian I think maybe there was some issue with actually yubo jemi ge furi then made Dubai I think it will be a fast actually thing mano ana bebere mano
representing
headlining so I know the blessings me bin bor dano magang me be supporting and the worst thing is lola ko mo go berga chwala message ni I think giti ko no actually di ka show go pong mag-knock kan fully you get
but definitely I know your energy you're going to surprise them
I might come there got them fun before turning up
but I'm wishing you good luck
I'll be there kakere ngoma loloke di mogo ti magati supporting will tickets my bejo era chuli man knock furete will tickets I don't know maybe go ke very bo paying but they should see way forward come and you be ticket I think they'll get to know from the flyers but they were around
that is great Judas to Dubai guys in my TA UAE United States of Emirates make sure buy your tickets kita winyo Judas awaj okay Spectre what Spectre launch mono kama Judas Rapknowledge will be performing so Jay how do you feel like first time of you performing in Dubai
it's a blessing to the land and then like I told you bringing the Vo is more like opening doors for other great musicians back home so Cherna Kuno, I just want to experience another thing and then keep fan best. Kire like when I've ever did that, like I did that several times. But the most important thing is America like Kinarab Kuno the music is good.
You know sometimes comments can't but you also want to prove it on the ground.
Exactly.
Wow. Jay, I'm just shocked. The way you're pulling up Northern Uganda music industry, most especially Polkara. Bangeo, Atina Mete going with down, of course. Down when hip hop, be paying down. Or the woman hip hop doesn't pay the bills.
Nah,
is it real?
No.
Kind of shows you're now in books in different countries in Europe, other part of the world. They definitely hip hop pay the bills.
If you're in your Polkarne homeboys kafuru donyo go we area there money no time any dong me don't yap kilu yap do any show that's the worst thing you get frustrated for nothing in your hip hop pays bills but gimo can get chako kirbi ajar mo can get chako me chako more be patient
need patience
anyway and then the body of work will speak for you there are some artists mogoma good donyo be good donyo medicine with the heart of fame in any way so kikero we mo me anagwa you get so definitely the way in kini furisha one nyurni me the yab wear we jala kirwan wear a lot corner gay yab wear corona gay matayo gay story man not touching down we down yab relating to
African warrior gay
yeah we down ya when wa me nyeri show we any guru twinya you get la when gay so storytelling baby I be in yeah and then different type of music like content mo man be carrying your music we don't kill win show er can be ya we ana ya king or ana ya gwa ma do ngara lawyer pig ngo it will be only you even you in chimi ki mo fans are big mo make comment section ki voli
no down me gang
no pay the show no pay Gulu
yeah
that's
get
it.
Wow, that is great. So in hip hop as mo can
hip hop chula I'm not artist wakmela waje na pamero waje ne I was one of these thugs around Gulu mano and mo wulu ko nyona go ne so na agamu yo ayenyo yona yo my bow full now back in the day like dole kiloni dole like you get it so on mielgi what timu dole so
did you kwanyo jimmy mama no don't get you
dark side you get it so and I first recording about you so my goya dole yeah now my won't want to pickpocketing now so ayenye yo na kira so hip hop do ya buchula mada ya bukero dong ke win album akwo abera we ko na ngongogi dana ya marne that's how now hip hop ya buchula
wow
yeah so hip hop tera kama bo
wow yeah. That is great. So Jay, you better way you've been like those of thugs and your first recording was not your money that you worked for even though you said you worked for but was like kai nyimlo chweche wani this was not responsible. So how do you feel like if you look in a ninyo yana ngene kichwinye maybe one day is my will po chere kwayo kija wena no lord I did this wrongs and all those. How do you going to pay that to the community?
That's a nice question man. Right now kira wajikene back in the day no go dole so ichane I'm helping a lot of Pamela White Bay camera. Baringa Pamara Kerjimina camera. A lot of street kids.
So when kachi mala chujumio gimane werla champunge
ya. Ampatemo Pamela Ker camera temio chana nyatemio gimone kidano you get. So Jimina when kene ala ten money take amon ber TikTok ber ka wena baby something.
Yeah, I remember I posted that video.
Communicating give me an but packer to carry camera piano war latin in the code don ya nyim tamiro ga Judah those things are degi pian kono giberka yer nekere those things mio pengene so ana mera ne jimi no wanya timu la penya so I'm dealing with a lot of street kids mogo the Kilwani street kids but me I call them the gangs around hustlings now so kigona chimja jike jo ngono ghetto guy so that's how I'm paying the community give my table now so I mean to give better advice I wipe better because I have a lot of my people madongo tawa madongo watema ke gideri ke jomo kenti voot ngongo those things but but pami na loke pian mio moral ke darange one way leb wabiri chalo sword ke wano dano nyo wajo gimone ke dano madonye chwin dano inspiring dano motivating dano katema jima right ke why dano do ya de dano dano be ya ngara following in be ya we do ya go dano now so anone mera ti ke leba mabe mo ba mio to transform the youth we ko bien ge ya ngeo ngoma meta ba ti chana yo mabe
wow this is so amazing like from tag to helping the community
being with
but I loved because even like you take a picking to open your future not for the battery that is so amazing. True, so what should people expect in these coming events us by Dinosaur Promotions?
Now you should expect fire because sometimes in your ka to you stage I'm like a dragon, I spit fire.
You roar.
So I'm that lion. Ma ka roaring, ma knock like Paul Chito. I condense cloud and make it rain. So I'm kind of a little bit different. Ka na chala performance mo ya wilo performance mo ma better go ne. There are a lot of events. Ma jomo kena yubo concert gana binu da robbing concert.
Ichako concert.
So chala ngolo mo nyo gawaro tu ju ya ba. Dan nyiri kiringan madega ne ono dikilu so ajali ne ka go mo
gamini you carry go baby monon ta
sure is mara ma over way
jay la yela by the way I will take Judah Rapknowledge you were about celebrity vibes
exactly
we take discussing a lot of things and it's first time to be in our YouTube channel and I'm so glad to host him
thank you so much
It's been a while for me to meet him, like in the camera, come on.
Yeah.
But I follow the training, Ruatikere. Kadong wachare kagi kone Jay.
Yeah.
Okay, no wakong kama events like the whole Boberi where Alice normal not to Dubai, not in India.
Yeah, inyo down pero kaya lokum ticket wele kira ticket ni nyurni event ang Boberi kakario. Di chiyong bachaka ki mo magaluni yak party. Yak party oni meli mo matitiri beru ka pale pi no tinano the beauty of Dubai. So what so dress code Boberi white ngayon kaya na jalo video pa Rick Rose gini.
Yeah.
No giti mailing ngo giti feeling beja Titanic. So what time no chaka kon kumeno men me kilo binano we ni luope kwena. So one be kon watimu Jimmy One wa chaka di chen kiden kidong performance do ti no expect a launch Boberi ma lira de da ma art mi chaka ina na wi baleo ina no. So amirani ko kay be wido ticket pay bit ki was ni che gwak no wele command pian ti event rio ini na che.
So kay wido just be sure ni be bound right di cheng.
So ini bi no dong di cheng by like di ko kenyu cha ngwan gini worry meri ki meli ke you know what performing more like performance a better matter like not pay away
that's my way take a call
meet and greet.
Yeah.
Meet and greet no yo ko mel tim yel mo kerno kin gang to playing Chidong pian ene wek be wan nyute luope kwena ina no pian ke nano lo la ka football team gene so wa mir what
so it's going to be for the first time.
Yeah, something special.
I love the way you specialize things.
Yeah. So kada di wona dong la vono ta var dong me dong icher nano dong flow be de be dong more win kala chano kala leba chuli a cher leb mono wek arabs go win ka dong lo ke gi ka ma duata ma te kono bu ne wan kar be watie ki bereng we are people will me waje we are bamne watiki musicians madung magati gang magati very talented gubu bino ka chere mano dynasty promotion bu bera kilogi ma Mr. Sunny not ya connecting ke giga chere
big up to dynasty. Big up to dynasty in Dubai. So after I to 12 me honoring my invitations, it's been a glad. Today I want us to talk about the Dubai shows and but I'm going to be glad to ask you for another topic because I have a lot to discuss with you.
No problem.
Starting from 2011 up to now.
I think a story makaboro from hip hop. People will not believe. Story
but they have
to
believe.
And I don't know kiddos these days the misled in the industry. So kira hip hop chaka kere kumalame Uganda. They don't know. Again mix again. There are guys mucha kochon. I will mention them in your next interview. Kidong ngoma wate teme type of music ma jomo kene temo. No wenti new sub-genre hip hop.
Okay.
Like sub-genre, chalo megati gangster rap.
No ipoko iyo.
No ipoko iyo. Pero inge down where hip hop, temo hip hop. Picking you ni the sub-genre. Jomo kene temo battle rap. Jomo kene temo
b-boy again.
Any elements. Mo gonna mo yubo hip hop, but any sub. Ikike donye de rap and poetry. No they know him like rhythmic art of poetry. No in rap. No they know him. There's sub-genre jomo ke timo revolutionary rap mano waye gamenta tim guman ko loko pe ka down thank you and then there are some people magetimo me feel good music type of mix mare ichilu I love the way you love me you go away me down my feeling you
can time me denga ko kele wani
me denga braggadocious braggadocious no vume full any rap di te me eno kelo long braggadocious rap me vum kiri muro nyoy mi vume ni mar champagne la wo
it's a Lego ball. You know, camera. This is my bling bling.
Braggadocious,
wow.
Why you man? I'm spending dollars in the VIP. I don't know. They walk over freezing. So any braggadocious, but mine is gangster rap. Ma anakelo. Ikumalame Uganda. Me no ka ini very street. She be feeling where
you're going to feel that because you talk about the
life mystery. Ole when you win your hustle, kidong jamo can store down work uni, work pick gang uni. Those are the things.
Wow. So there's a lot of genre in hip hop. Definitely, I'll be happy to host you again. So we break it down. So we're young youth, young generation. They understand. Kage tiara ka talking level no ngene
boys mero fame boys talking and get you
anyway thanks so much Jay, your last word to your fan then we call it the end.
Chiro in then dynasty promotion mena kama connecting kedge following updates ki kuno kidonga Souls of Africa meno record label maana chako tie kidonga chere Judah Rapknowledge Da Akbar meno kama buno updates wena mo again following anka when social media platform when TikTok achana bolo we makilwoni wa kodonga chere team challenge nyotane ine gwa nyo ine me leng chane peace and love.
Yeah, foi matak twali mi berka lupo Tammy Bay TV oberke Judah Rapknowledge Da Akbar and kono bo beri Dubai mono inda deck midway beach. Please subscribe. Peace and love.